In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to round numbers to their nearest 10 and 100. Let's begin with the number 43. We know that 43 comes between 40 and 50, but to which of those tens would we round it? To figure this out, we look at the digit to the right of the tens place. If that digit is a 5 or greater, we would round up to 50. If the digit is less than 5, then we would round down to 40. 43 has a 3 in the ones place, so it would round down to 40. Now, let's look at how we would round a number to its nearest hundred. In this example, we will look at the number 852. 852 comes between 800 and 900. In order to determine whether we round up or down, we would look at the digit to the right of the hundreds place. Once again, if that digit is a 5 or greater, we would round up to 900. If the digit in the tens place is less than 5, we would round down to 800. The digit to the right of the hundreds place is a 5, so we round up to 900.